Hey everyone, welcome to Flavors and Fragrance Recipes. Today we are going to make white pasta with vegetables. So for this I have kept water to boil, and now I'm going to add salt and little bit of oil, and then I'm going to allow it to boil. So let's do it. Let's boil this water and then we boil our pasta. Now by the time our pasta water is boiling, let's make some vegetables. So for this I have taken kadhai, and now I'm going to put some butter into it. Along with this butter I am also going to put a bit of olive oil, and now I am going to fry my vegetables first. So first I'm going to put my chopped onions. Let the butter and oil be hot, and then we will put our chopped onions. You need to fry these onions till they are a bit translucent. I don't want them brown because we are making pasta. I have taken around 2 medium-sized onions, and now let's fry this. My onions are frying and they are like this, and I'm going to add my other vegetables. Today I'm going to add mushrooms and carrots, but you can also add green capsicum. This pasta is mainly loved by the kids because it's creamy white. Now before I put any vegetables, I also want to fry my chopped garlic in this onion. So let's fry this till the raw smell of garlic goes, and then we will put our carrots and mushrooms. I've been frying this for 2-3 minutes, and see, this is how it's looking. And now I am going to put my carrots. Along with carrots you can put capsicum, whichever vegetable you like. Remember, while making pasta we don't want our vegetables to be brown or anything, so they should be crunchy also, and they should not be overcooked. Now we are also going to add our mushrooms. At this point I have taken 2 packets of mushrooms, and I am going to add some salt, and I am also going to add some oregano and red chili. Now all this I am going to mix and cook it till the vegetables are cooked and they should be dry, no water. Okay, over here my pasta water is boiling, and I am going to put 1 packet of spaghetti in it, and we are going to cook this spaghetti in this water till our pasta is cooked completely. You don't have to break or anything, it will go down on its own. Let's cook this spaghetti till it's completely cooked. By the time our vegetables are cooking and pasta is also boiling, let's make white sauce. Let's put butter and little bit of olive oil. Now to this butter I am going to add little bit of garlic also, and fry till the raw smell of garlic goes. This is a natural white sauce made at home. We are not buying any outside sauce packet or anything, sauce powder or anything, nothing. Let the raw smell of the garlic go, and then we are going to put 2 tablespoons of white flour, that is maida. My gas is on high, and to this I am going to add 2 cups of milk. I am lowering my gas now. 2 big cup of milk. And now we are going to cook this till this milk becomes thick. We are going to add some salt, and you can also add some oregano and chili flakes in it. Cook till the milk becomes thick and there should be no lumps. So I am adding oregano and red chili flakes. Keep the gas on high and keep on stirring and no lumps. This sauce has to be thick. Okay, so our pasta is boiling now, and now we are going to drain it in cold water and rinse it properly with a little bit of oil. Okay, so our sauce is ready now. See how thick it is. Now I'm going to switch off the flame because this sauce is going to become more thicker when we put it in the pasta and after it is cooled down. So I have just taken one big boil and then stirring continuously I have cooked it. If you like more thickness you can cook it more further, but I would say that just keep it to this because it will become thick anyways. So the white sauce is ready, the vegetables are ready. Now after the noodles, that is the pasta, is cooked, we will mix it and plate it. Okay, so this is our spaghetti, that's how it's looking, and I'm going to put a bit of oil over here so that it doesn't get stick. And now we are going to mix it with vegetables and our white sauce. This is how our spaghetti and vegetables are looking, and now I'm going to pour my sauce over it. And then we will plate it. Our spaghetti with white sauce mushroom is ready to serve. Serve hot.